economic feasibility. The topics to be covered in this lecture are: what is feasibility study, categories of feasibility studies. In this, there are basically three categories: technical feasibility, economic feasibility, and the operational feasibility. In this lecture, we are going to explain about economic feasibility. Now, what is feasibility study? Before start, in my previous video, I talk about feasibility studies and its related terms. So, it is better to first watch my previous video, then after you can uh, easily learn these three categories, basically technical, economic, and operational. So let me tell you about in brief what is feasibility study. Feasibility means how feasible your product is. Okay, so feasibility, it is a kind of measure of how beneficial or practical the development of an information system will be to an organization. Means how suits this product is. So we call it as this thing is feasible to this organization or any particular thing, right? So feasibility is most important thing. So these are the categories. The feasibility study involves basically three key considerations. Focus on three key considerations. What are these considerations? First is tactical, second is economic, and the third is operational. Okay. In this, I will explain you about economic feasibility. As the name suggests, economics means what? It is related to some financial. So, as the name suggests, it deals with the term of money. It is the most frequent method for evaluating the effectiveness of candidate system. So, cost benefit analysis is done to determine the benefits and savings that are expected from the candidate system and compare them without cost. Like if you go to the mall and purchase a branded shirt, okay, and the another person purchase a shirt from an ordinary shop, so obviously the price of the branded shirt is more as compared to the shirt which is purchased by a normal shop. Fine, because that is not branded one. Okay, so what this means, the branded clothes the in terms of costing, of course it is more, but the quality of the branded item is more than the quality of the normal shirt which is buy from the shop, normal shop. Okay, that is not the branded one. So in terms of quality, we go, some customers go to the brand, and if the quality is not important, quantity is important, then those people go to the non-branded items. Okay, so here cost is important, of course, but how reliable, how qualitative it is important for you, because it is a long lasting. Branded clothes have long term you can use, whereas the normal shirt which is purchased from the normal shop and that is not branded, its life is smaller than as compared to the branded shirt. Okay, I think it's clear. So it is the most frequent used method for evaluating the effectiveness of the system. So here what we say, as I told you, that if quality wise means we are not talking about the quantity. Okay, so here the terms effectiveness is most important, the effectiveness of the system. So it is a measure of whether a solution was pay for itself or how profitable a solution will be. The economic or financial feasibility is the determination of resources. And what are these resources? These are like management time, time spent by the system analysis team, cost of doing the full system study, estimated cost of hardware, estimated cost of software or software development. So what I'm trying to say is, if we are talking about the branded items, then you see the stitching quality. There's I mean, you satisfy about that stitching quality, like if you see the stitching quality of the normal that is not branded one, there is some, you people are not satisfied once you use a branded clothes, and I'm sure that you recommended the branded clothes, and further you go to purchase that branded clothes as rather than the non-branded clothes, because the quality wise it is it is perfect. Cost wise it's okay. So if the cost is high, obviously the quality is much better. If the cost is low, then we have to compromise the quality. If we are talking about the shirt that is buy from the footpath, okay, or you can say purchase from the buy from the sales, means some type of discount. Obviously if you are compromising the cost, and it is mandatory that if you pay less cost, then the quality wise it's not okay. So it is up to the customer ki how how you prefer to your product. So we have to focus on economic, technical or operational. Okay, so it is of course this is the major factor, you can say, for the feasibility study, or you can say the feasibility analysis. So this is the question of your practice. Write short note on economic feasibility. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.